Hey everyone, let's talk about free cash flow. I know it sounds dry, but stick with me. Think of it like the money left in your wallet at the end of the month after you've paid your rent, groceries, and all your bills. That leftover cash, that's your free cash flow. Now imagine your wallet is a company's bank account. Free cash flow, or FCF, is what's left after the company pays for its operations and the stuff it needs to keep running, like new equipment or upgrades. In other words, FCF is the real money a company can use to pay dividends, buy back shares, pay down debt, or just pile up for a rainy day. Let's break it down with a simple analogy. Picture a lemonade stand. You sell lemonade and make 20 bucks. You spend 10 bucks on lemons, sugar, and cups. That's your operating costs. Then, you spend 3 bucks fixing your stand after a windy day. Those are your capital expenses. So, your free cash flow is 20 minus 10 minus 3, you've got 7 bucks left over. That's your lemonade empire's free cash flow. But why does this matter? Unlike profits on paper, free cash flow is harder to fake. It's actual cash, money a company really has on hand. That's why investors love it. A company with strong free cash flow is like someone who always has cash left after all the bills are paid. It shows financial health and flexibility. Now, here's a quick tip. Companies can look profitable but still be broke if they're not generating free cash flow. It's kind of like having a big paycheck but spending it all before the month ends. If you're picking stocks or even just curious about how healthy a company is, take a look at its free cash flow. So, next time you hear FCF, remember the lemonade stand. It's not about what you earn, it's about what you get to keep. That's free cash flow. Alright, that's it for today. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more simple breakdowns of money and investing.